guys, on-board na kami ngayon sa Jet2 Holiday Airlines. So, I think it's gonna be like a 4-hour trip to Antalya and we're so excited na doon na tayo magkita-kita sa Antalya. See ya! Hello, Antalya. So guys, ito pala yung van na binook namin from Antalya Airport to is it Murat Pasang?
It's
DND Terrace Hotel. So parang around 45 minutes na travel to guys. Ito yung pala yung background ng or yung interior design ng sasakyan. Ganda.
So, quick room tour tayo guys. So, we stay in D&D Hotel and we have a very comfortable 1-bedroom with a private bathroom, shower, and coffee station. And isa sa mga nagustuhan namin dito is napakalinis ng toilet nila and your easy access to local restaurant, shops, and cafe. Tapos, konting lakad lang, nandun na kayo sa Old Town. Kaya, ito yung kinuha naming hotel. Hello guys, good morning. Hi, we're still here in our hotel but we're about to leave. So time check, it's 8:01 in the morning here in Antalya. And pupunta na kami ngayon sa may cable car nila. And then after that, we'll go to Konya Alti Beach. And then sa Old Bazaar. Tapos ikot-ikot na lang kami doon. So yeah, and here's our outfit. Alright, see ya. Bye.
Bye.
Hello guys! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Aisha Beach. Supposed to be, pupunta sana kami sa kanilang Tunik-Tipi cable car. Pero sabi ng isa sa mga staff doon, hindi na daw siya nag-ooperate since last year pa daw. Because parang may nagka-problem ata sa may line nila. So, yun. So, pero, meron naman kaming nakitang beach na closer dito. This is the Aisha Beach and look at the view, guys.
Sobrang ganda.
Ang ganda niya. So, dapat pupunta kami dun sa tuktok ng bundok na yan. There. Pero, hindi na kasi siya nag-ooperate. So, okay lang. Dahil meron naman silang napakagandang view right here. Yeah.
Kasama na ako dito.
Konya Alti Beach. Parang mga 5 minutes walk na lang.
Pero mainit siya guys.
Sobrang init, grabe. Kaya if ever pupunta kayo dito, kailangan naka-sunscreen talaga kayo kasi grabe nakakapaso siya. Pero parang yung init niya, parang same sa Pinas. Parang ganun yung vibe pag summer. Pag summer sa Pinas, ganitong ganito din dito. And look at that. Yes, Antalya.
Look at
Antalya.
this. We're here na sa Konya Alti.
So from Tunektipi, sumakay kami ulit ng bus papunta dito. Parang mga 30 minutes away na lang. And then mabilis lang naman din pag nag-bus kayo and check nyo lang sa Google Map kung anong bus yung sasakyan nyo.
I-plan nyo.
Yeah.
Yan. Feeling swimmer yarn. Sobrang ganda po dito guys. So if you have any plans of visiting Turkey, Antalya is a must. Kasi sobrang ganda ng beach dito, pagkain, mura, tas ang daming tourist spot. Yan po siya. Nag-i-
So the next day, it's a chill day for us. We just went to Old Town and Marina Antalya. And as you can see guys, dito nyo makikita yung very creative carpets nila with different design and patterns. Kilala talaga yung Antalya sa kanilang authentic carpets. And then, hindi lang yun yung makikita nyo dito. You can able to buy some jewelries or antiques. At dito nyo rin matitikman yung baklava and Turkish delight nila, which is nagustuhan talaga namin ni Tio. And from hotel guys, napakalapit lang talaga ng Old Town. Kaya nga nagustuhan din namin talaga magstay sa hotel namin because it's like 5 minutes walk from our hotel. Makakapunta ka na ng Old Town. And yung pinuntahan namin kahapon na Hadrian's Gate, nandito lang yun sa may Old Town as well. Like 2 minutes walk, parang ganun. So, ayan guys, yung Old Bazaar. Marami kayong makikita dyan sa loob. Like, yung mga famous food nila. Tapos, yung Turkish ice cream. Dito rin namin na-try yun. Which is really good actually. Masarap siya and very sticky.
Nandito na kami sa Marina. So we just went to the old town or old bazaar, and then we head straight to Marina, Antalya. So ito siya guys. There you go. Ang ganda. Restaurant here in Antalya na which is still affordable, at ito yung nire-recommend nila talaga, which is yung Luna Garden. And actually nandito na rin kami yesterday, we had our lunch here, and masasabi ko talagang napakasarap ng food nila and very cheap. Like yung ngayon, yung in-order ko, which is Alfredo Fettuccine, it's only worth 270 lira. So kung i-convert nyo siya into pounds, parang nasa, kasi yung rate ngayon ng lira to it's 1 lira is equivalent to 53 pounds. So kung i-convert mo siya, mga nasa 6 pounds siguro or 5 pounds probably. No, okay. So sorry, hindi ako marunong sa math.
Siyempre pag doon natin binili yan sa sa atin dun sa UK, siyempre medyo expensive siya
Yeah.
rather than dito na.
Kasi malaking meal na siya, tapos it only worth like 5 pounds to 6
Mm.
pounds. Kung i-compare mo siya dun sa atin, dun sa UK, parang pag bibili ka dun ng isang meal, parang nag-worth siya ng mga 13 to 15 pounds. So napaka-cheap niya talaga. And then,
Especially the coffees here, the coffee,
yeah, pence lang siya.
pence lang
Kung
pag sa
i-convert mo siya to
pounds, yeah.
And then napakaganda ng ambience nila, guys.
Medyo mainit lang.
Medyo mainit, pero yung pwesto namin right now, napaka-presko kasi meron silang fan. Unlike yesterday, kasi nga ang daming tao, so parang ang init ng pwesto namin doon. Malaki kasi siya, guys, tapos pipili ka lang ng menu through your phone, and then lalapit na sila sa'yo.
Actually, mahangin na siya.
Let's go. So, hi guys. We're here now in Daden Waterfalls. And ang init sobra. When we check the weather, it's 34 degrees Celsius. And ang init niya sobra. Kaya pag pupunta kayo dito, dapat you're really ready from the heat of the sun. Yung parang yung Antalya and then yung sun magkatabi lang.
Uwi na guys.
I want to end this vlog with a quote. Traveling together isn't just about the places we go, but the memories we build along the way. Thank you so much, Langga, for making this trip possible. I love you.